Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading Libras. For your daily energies, your career situation and love energies Libras. We'll be picking few cards guys. So first for your daily energies Libras, these are the cards. For your relationship, I'll be picking more cards guys. So first for your relationship, these are the cards here. And for your career situation, three more cards. So these cards will specifically answer the questions you have in your career and personal life situation guys. So let's start with the daily reading Libras. It's 8 of suns, 3 of spheres and 4 of moons in reverse. I hope you can see the cards clearly guys. Libras, so with these cards in your situation today guys, these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation Libras. So today you are proceeding in a positive way in your life. Things are going in the right way as you expect. So people are helping you, the people you work with, they are coming forward with help and guidance, and they are there for you. You are working as a team and you are seeing that success, beginning of success. And I also see that in your situation today guys Libras. And also guys Libras, your intuition is really heightened today. So something telling you to think about your next step. Maybe think and decide. You need to listen to it guys Libras. So some kind of intuitive nudges or uh, something telling you to make that other choice, go for that other path. You need to listen, because only those things that are going to work towards success is coming towards you guys. Because I also see that destiny is pushing you towards that greater progress, positive progress in your life. So in your career, whatever projects or whatever deals or whatever plans you have for yourself, all that is going to work for the benefit, and those lucky changes are coming towards you guys. So you need not worry about your how certain changes are going today, but these changes are for your benefit guys. So you can have that trust and faith in how things are unfolding in your life. And also maybe for some of you, you may fall in love with someone new guys. Maybe if you are open for a new relationship, you may find someone interesting today guys. That is also what I see with these cards for your daily energy guys. So let us see what are these cards for your relationship. We picked three more cards here guys, so we will open these cards now. Hermit, Cardinal of Stars in reverse, and Page of Suns. So for your relationship, these are the cards here guys. So this may be what your person feels about you or what you feel about them in this connection. So in this connection, you are going for that impulsive actions. Maybe without that deep thinking, you are reacting. You are simply reacting for whatever this person is telling you. You have to have that understanding guys. Instead of reacting in such a way, you have to have that mature response in this connection. And I also see that in certain things regarding certain decisions or maybe some important decisions that you're making today, You want to make that honest decisions, whatever you feel right within your heart of hearts. So you are thinking deeply, Libras. But here again, we see that things are going in a very positive way for you all in this connection, guys. So this person is, what to say, is loving. You both may share that great understanding, love, but deep down in this relationship, you have to think, guys, if you want that deep connection. This person maybe in this connection just to have that fling with you. They are not here for that deep, meaningful connection. For some of you guys, that is the energy here. So behind that brilliance, those honeyed words, that brilliant honeyed words to attract you, there is some kind of uncertainty. So if you want a meaningful relationship, you have to wait, guys, to see whether this connection will proceed in those lines. But other than that, this person, this connection is going to be a surprising one. Maybe you will feel really like taking a roller coaster ride with this person. You have this attraction, intimacy, and that what to say, that exhilaration in this connection. You simply feel out of the world when you are with them. But a deep, meaningful connection, you have to think, guys, if you want that. So that is what I see with these cards for your relationship. So let us see what are these cards for your career situation. We again pick 3 cards. It's Master of Moons, 2 of Spheres in reverse, and 2 of Moons. So for your career situation, guys, with these cards, I see that you are attracting some kind of partnerships towards you, guys. Something may be coming in your career situation, moving towards you, and maybe for some of you, regarding this partnership, something which you were expecting for a long time, you are getting some information, something which is going to tell you whether this projects or deals, whatever you were planning, it is going to work out for you guys. And this new partnership, it may be for some creative endeavor, guys. For some of you, I also see that whatever you love, whatever you are really passionate about, you may be proceeding towards that, Libras. So it may be something to do with some creative art, like singing, dancing, or painting, something of that sort. So you are starting a partnership in that career. And I also see that you will be able to work with dedication, because this is something you love. So that is what I see with these cards for your career situation, Libras. And that is the reading for today, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.